Welcome to Class 8, Chapter 4, Ehi Sudhira. Here a group of friends is calling each other and asking to play, to do education and then to serve the nation. Because this is your age to learn, to play and then serve the nation, right? All three things we have to do together. So, Ehi means Agacha, come. And whom are we calling? Our team, our gang, and one of the member is Sudhira. Sudhiraha is the Sanskrit name, and while calling, we will just drop the visarga, so the word becomes Sudhira. By the way, ये लड़के का नाम बहुत अच्छा है. It means Su and Dhira. Su is good and Dhira is one who is having a good level of patience. Dheeraj. So, Ehi Sudhira, come Sudhira. So, let's see where is our gang calling us to do what? Let's see. प्रिय छात्राः, नमस्ते. मैं हूं आपकी संस्कृत आचार्य डॉक्टर नम्रता. नमस्ते संस्कृत यूट्यूब चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है. हमारे साथ जुड़िए. प्रेस द सब्सक्राइब बटन एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू क्लिक ऑन द बेल आइकन. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. आरंभं कुर्मः. एहि सुधीरा एहि सुविक्रम खेलनांगणं गच्छाम. धावन कूर्दन चलनै खेलै Vajrakayatam Vindam. This means Ehi is come. So our friends are Sudhir. Let's call him Sudhir. Next, let's call Suvikrama. Suvikrama. Ehi, Agacha, come. Where are we going? So Gachama. Are you thinking what I am thinking? Where is the Visarga? Gachamaha yani जाते हैं. यहाँ पे सिर्फ गच्छामा लिखा है. So the visarg is actually dropped because gachama means let us all go. We aren't going, but it says imperative mode, lot lakar, let us go. Gachama. Kutra gachama? Where? Khelananganam. Let's split the word. Khelana anganam. Anganam is the ground. So Khelananganam, playground. So let us go to the playground. Hey Sudhira and hey Suvikrama. And then, why it is important to play? Because by these all things, we will get Vindama. Means to get, to obtain. We are going to obtain Vajra Kayatam. Vajra is a diamond. Why? Because Vajra is actually the weapon of Lord Indra. It is also with Ganesh, Hanuman and many gods. So Vajra is the hardest thing to break. And Kaya means Shariram. So Kayata, Vajra Kayata, stiff and strong body. It's again Gachamaha, Visarg is drop. Vindamaha, Visarg is drop because it is imperative. So let us go to the playground. Let us all obtain a strong body. By what all activities? कौन सी activities हम वहाँ पे playground में करेंगे जिससे हमें मजबूत शरीर मिलेगा? धावना, running. कूदना, jumping. चलना, चलना फिरना, walking. खेलैहि, different types of games. So it can be pakram pakri, it can be kabaddi, it can be badminton, any outdoor game. Because indoor game खेलने से मन को बहला सकते हैं. But शरीर will be sitting on a couch and you will become lazy. That's why have some fresh air, go outside to play, let the sun give you all the nutrients and be healthy and happy. By what all things? Dhavana, running, jumping, walking and all the sports. Right? Let's move on to the second stanza. Ehi sushile, ehi mrunalini, pushpavatikam gacchama. Vividhai kusumai, vidhaya malam. Vigna vinashakam archama. विघ्न विनाशकम अर्चाम. These two girls, नाम है उनका सुशीला और मृणालिनी, दीर्घ ई. But when we are calling them, we will just add a instead of a. So replace a with a. राधा नाम है तो बुलाने के लिए राधे. सुशीला नाम है तो बुलाने के लिए सुशीले. मृणालिनी दीर्घ ई है तो ह्रस्व ई कर दीजिए, मृणालिनी. तो हे सुशीला, हे मृणालिनी, एहि एहि आगच्छ, कम. पुष्पवाटिकां गच्छाम. Let us all go to a flower park. वाटिका a garden but basically a park. Park और garden में क्या फर्क है? Yes, you tell me. Garden is the area where there are kids section to play, slide, swing, seesaw, all of that. Whereas Vatika or a park is basically where there are more of a nature. People come here to walk, to jog, and this is Pushpa Vatika. So especially there are so many varieties of flowers. So trees are being grown here. Pushpa Vatikam Gachama. Let us all go to this flower garden or the flower park. And what are we going to do? Archama. Let's break this word. There is one sandhi. Let's split it. Archama. Archamaha is pujayamaha. It is archama. Let us worship. Let us worship Vigna Vinashakam. Vigna, hurdles, obstacles, problems. Vinashakam is destroying. So the destroyer of all the obstacles is Lord Ganesh. Vigna Vinashakam Archama. Let us all worship the Lord of all the hurdles. Means the destroyer of all the hurdles. By what thing are we going to worship him? So we are going to worship him by Malam. Malam Vidhaya. Vidhaya means Kritva, after doing. After making a mala, a garland. But by what material? Do you people have some gold, silver or some pearls, moti? No? So what is the easiest thing you can get in Pushpa Vatika? Pushpa, flowers, correct. Vividhaihi kusumaihi. If you break this word, you will get kusumai visarga. So basically this C shape on the top, what we call it ref, is visarga. Vividhaihi kusumaihi. By a variety of flowers, let us make a garland and then worship Vigna Vinashak, Lord Ganesh. Next is Ehi Dinesha Pranava Ganesha Jnana Nidhim Sanchinuyama. Ehi Sharade Girije Varade Jnana Varidau Viharama. Jnana Varidau Viharama. Sanchinuyama is our main word. But which are those friends that we are calling? We are calling Dineshaha, Pranavaha, Ganeshaha. While calling them, we will say Dinesh, Pranav, Ganesh. All of them, Ehi, Ehi, come. And what are we saying? Let us collect. So, Sanchinuyama, let us collect. So, what are we going to collect? Nidhi. Oh, Nidhi means a treasure. Khazana. खजाना हम इकट्ठा करेंगे. किसका? सोने चांदी का? नहीं, सोने चांदी तो नाश्वर है. वो अगर आप कलेक्ट भी करेंगे तो आपके लॉकर में होगा. No use. What is that thing that keeps everything afresh every time? ऐसी कौन सी चीज है जितनी भी बार खर्चोगे वो निधि खाली नहीं होगी, वो खजाना खाली नहीं होगा, अपितु बढ़ेगा. अगर कोई एक कंसेप्ट आप कोई वीक स्टूडेंट्स को या आपने कोई फ्रेंड को सिखा दे तो वो कंसेप्ट आपने सिखाया तो आपकी नॉलेज शून्य हो गई या बढ़ गई? इंक्रीज हुई ना. बस दैट इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ ट्रेजर ऑफ नॉलेज. जितनी बार भी आप उसे खर्च करोगे उतनी बार वो बढ़ेगी। और पैसा, सोना, चांदी और इस सब का क्या है, वॉलेट में अगर 100 रुपीज है, खर्च करते रहोगे तो एक दिन कुछ भी नहीं बचेगा, बट इसका ऐसा नहीं है। तो संचिनुयाम, लेट अस कलेक्ट निधि, ट्रेजर ऑफ ज्ञान, knowledge. And if you are wondering why I am not saying Gnan, then please refer to the simplified series Munna Bhai episode of Bro Code, because this is not G and Y Gyan, it is J and Y Jnan. Then we are calling some girls, and girls' names are all ending in A. Sharada, Girija, Varada. But because all of them are ending in A, I will be calling them by A. Hey Sharade, hey Girije, hey Varade, hey, come. Viharama. Let's all roam around. हम विहार करते हैं. People who have visited any type of lake and have enjoyed boating. Boating is called Nauka Vihar in Sanskrit. So Vihar is basically घूमना फिरना. But ये लोग कहाँ घूमने वाले हैं? Varidhau. It's Saptami Vibhakti. It's a locative case. But the main word here is Varidhi. So Varidhi basically means an ocean. Varidhi. अब उसे वारिधि क्यों कहते हैं? Because Vari means water and this dha, single letter dha means धारण करने वाला. So one who possesses all those water is called ocean, sea. So Varidhi. But this is not a water ocean. This is the ocean of knowledge. And where is that? Where there is education provided, where learning is happening. It can be in a school, at a coaching, at classes, at your hobby class, or any dance class, music class, anywhere. At your home, in your bedroom, wherever you get particular knowledge from book or from parents or from teachers or from friends, there is Jnana Varidho. फर्क इतना है, किसी के पास आपको थोड़ा सा पानी मिलेगा ऑफ नॉलेज, किसी के पास समुद्र भर के. तो ये है समुद्र भर के. तो दैट्स व्हाई द हिंटेड मीनिंग इज रेफरिंग टू विद्यालय. So that's why all of them are in Ganavesham uniforms. Jnana Varidha Viharama. Let us all roam around in the ocean of knowledge. That is into bracket the school. Next stanza says, Tanva manasa hitam charantah sada gurun anugachhama Bharat matuhu seva satkar देश हितार्थम जीवाम. देश हितार्थम जीवाम. तनवा मनसा हितम चरंतः. This is our final stanza of the whole Geetam song. That's why we are not calling somebody here, but we are just our third purpose. You remember the first line I said? हमारा काम इस एज में है अच्छे से अभ्यास करना, अच्छे से खेल कूद में, फिजिकल एक्टिविटी में ध्यान देना, and the third important thing, to serve our nation. So the third important thing has been told here. Anugachhama is to follow. Gachhama, let us go. The anu prefix means to follow. Okay? So let us all follow. Whom? Gurun. Let us all follow our teachers. When? कुछ ही बातों में या सभी बातों में? सदा, always. How to follow them? वो जहां जहां स्कूल में जाते हैं उनके पीछे पीछे जाइए. स्कूल से बाहर निकलेंगे तो पीछे पीछे जाओगे, ऐसे फॉलो करना है? नहीं, इस तरह से. तनवा मनसा हितम चरंतः. तनवा, the main word is tanu, means शरीरम. मनसा, the main word is मनः, thought. By फिजिकली, कि जैसे टीचर्स बिहेव करते होंगे, जैसे टीचर्स बातें करते होंगे, जैसे टीचर्स आपको अलग अलग चीजों हैंडल करना सिखाते हैं, उसी तरह से आप उन्हें फॉलो करिए. मनसा, टीचर्स जैसा आपके लिए सोचते होंगे, अच्छा भला वैसे आप भी उनके लिए और आसपास के लिए सोचिए, मनसा. So by your body means physically, manasa means mentally. Hitam charantah and doing all the benevolent thing. उपकार कल्याण वाली चीज करते करते. सदा गुरुन अनुगच्छाम. Let us all follow our teachers always. भारत मातुः सेवा सत्कारः. Let us all do seva and satkar. Let us do seva means service and satkaraha means to honor. Honor whom? Honor Bharat Mata. Have you seen the Bharat Mata photo? The RSS has a beautiful portrait of Akhand Bharat with Bharat Mata in red sari and the Sanatan Dwaja. She is sitting on the lion. You can see the photo here. देश हितार्थम जीवाम. हम ऐसा कोई भी कार्य ना करें जो हमें कंट्री को शेमफुल होना पड़े कि ये कैसे इंडियंस है, यहाँ वहाँ कचरा फेंकते हैं, यहाँ वहाँ थूकते हैं, उनको कोई सिविक सेंस नहीं है, कोई ट्रैफिक सेंस नहीं है. ऐसा कहीं पे भी ना हो, इसीलिए हम ऐसे जिएंगे. लेट अस ऑल लिव अकॉर्डिंग टू व्हाट इज बेनिफिशियल फॉर आवर कंट्री. Okay, whatever is beneficial for our country, let us live like that. उसके ऑपोजिट नहीं. लोग देखे तो कहे अरे ये भारतीय है, इंडियंस है, देखिए कितने अच्छे से ये खुद के देश की कल्चरल वैल्यूज को साथ में लेकर के प्रोग्रेस कर रहे हैं. कुछ ऐसी बातें होनी चाहिए. If you have already solved the Abhyas Karyam exercise, let's check the answer from here. First question is to pronounce these words orally correctly. I will be saying each word thrice. Please repeat after me. Suvikrama, Suvikrama, Suvikrama. We are calling a boy named Suvikrama, having a great valor. He is brave. Khelananganam. This is not the. There is a small dot, a small till. That is called anga. So this is anga. Khelananganam. 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 Next is Vajrakayatam. A strong body. A body like Vajra. Vajrakayatam. Vajrakayatam. We are calling her so Mrinalini. Mrinalini, Mrinalini. This is a sandhi word, so Kusumaihi and Vidhaya. So we will be saying Kusumair Vidhaya. Kusumai के बाद रेफ का उच्चारण, फिर विधाय का उच्चारण. Kusumair Vidhaya, Kusumair Vidhaya, Kusumair Vidhaya. That's right. This is Iya. Sanchinuyama. Let us collect. Sanchinuyama. Sanchinuyama. This is jnana, not gnana. Okay? Pronounce the words right. Jnana varidhau. Jnana varidhau. Jnana varidhau. Anugacchama. 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 Next is find the action verbs from the poem and write them as shown in the example gachama. Wherever there are verbs, so mostly this is a poetic form, song में तो gachama, vindama, sanchinuyama वो collect करके लिखने हैं जो मैंने पहले से ही यहाँ पे बताए हैं. Just see vindama, archama, sanchinuyama, viharama, anugachama, jivama. We have already discussed the meaning in the chapter. Next question is answer the following questions in Sanskrit. But I don't know whether these mistakes are there in your textbook, but the textbook I have has these many mistakes. I am going to correct it first. So please make sure अगर ये mistake आपके book में भी है तो आप भी थोड़े corrections कर लीजिए क्योंकि यहाँ पे typing error है एक यहाँ पे It is not Vajra Katatam, it is Vajra Kayatam. Vajrakayatam katham vindama kusumaihi kam archama. यहाँ मिस्टेक दिखेगी नहीं बिकॉज बहुत लोग इसे अपना लेते हैं, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू द करेक्ट व्याकरण रूल, whenever there is a vowel, स्वर से कोई भी शब्द स्टार्ट होता है तो अनुस्वार वहां नहीं लग सकता. This term has to be written like this, ma with halant. कस्य हितार्थम जीवाम, नो एरर. सदा कान अनुगच्छाम, 2 errors. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये कान में यहाँ पे न में हलंत होनी चाहिए, एंड दिस वर्ड इज च, लाइक दिस. आई विल राइट कंप्लीटली. अनुगच्छाम, च इज हाफ, फिर छ लिखना है. आई होप द करेक्शंस आर डन. लेट्स ट्राई टू सॉल्व इट. Vajrakayatam katham vindama. How should we obtain a healthy body, a strong body? So by going to the playground, of course, but which activities we should do? Not just lazily sit under the sun. Vajrakayatam katham vindama. Vajrakayatam dhavan kurdana chalana khelaihi vindama. अब इसमें आपके बुक में भले ही चलन ही अलग लिखा हो और खेल ही अलग लिखा हो, because that was a poetic form. वो गीत में वो एक्सपेक्टेड था, बट अभी जब आपको आंसर लिखना है, आई वुड सजेस्ट यू टू गो नॉन स्टॉप इन अ सिंगल वर्ड, धावन कूदन चलन, रिमूव द आई एंड विसर्ग लाइक दिस, एंड देन ऐड खेलैहि. कुसुमैहि कम अर्चाम. whom are we going to worship with all our flowers? Vigna vinashakam. Don't write Shri Ganesham directly. The expected answer is from the Geetam. So Vigna Vinashakam, Lord Ganesh. कस्य हितार्थम जीवाम. किसके भले के लिए हमें जीना है. भले ही सॉन्ग में देश हित एक वर्ड लिखा हो, बट हियर द क्वेश्चन इज कस्य, सो वी विल बी डूइंग षष्ठी. देशस्य. सदा कान अनुगच्छाम. हमेशा किसको फॉलो करना है. गुरुन, टीचर्स. र में खास करके ऊ की मात्रा रस्व नहीं करनी है, लॉन्ग दीर्घ ऊ इस तरह से लिखना है. आई होप दैट इज क्लियर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फॉलो द इलिस्ट्रेशन. गच्छ का जैसे गच्छाम लिखा है, व्हाट हैव दे डन? दिस इज कॉल्ड लेट अस डू दिस. इंपरेटिव सेंटेंसेस. इन संस्कृत इट इज कॉल्ड लोट लकारः. So, gacha, if becomes gachama, then what will be naya? It will be nayama. Let us all take. Anugacha will become same. We are removing the halant, adding a and ma. Anugachama. Piba, pibama. Let us all drink. And there is a mistake at the last one. Each and every main root, mool dhatu, is always halant. So there is no halant here, so put a halant. This is called halant. Halant means half. So vinda. Let us all obtain. Vindama. So that's it. This was the last question. I hope everyone learned that this is our age to study nicely, play outdoors, and then serve the nation. Dhanyavadaha punarmilamaha. Do some paropkar today. Share this video to those who are still confused in Sanskrit. Join our support system group exclusively for students of class 5 to 7, 8 to 10 and 11-12 onwards. Keep learning and have fun with Sanskritam. If you found this video helpful, contributions are open and welcome to the UPI number given in the description box. You can also contact WhatsApp number 8511 499 555. It's completely optional and your contributions will help us to create more free videos for all of you. Dhanyavadaha.